Today we're going to practice something simple, useful, and incredibly effective. Everyday English sentences you can use in real life. Learning a language doesn't always mean memorizing long grammar rules or rare vocabulary. Often, it's the short, natural sentences we say every day that help the most. These are the phrases that make you sound confident, natural, and ready for any situation. So in today's episode, we'll go through real English sentences you can start using right away, at home, at work, at a cafe, or even while thinking to yourself. And here's the best part, you'll repeat after me. I'll say the sentence, and then you'll say it too. It's easy, fun, and it works. Let's begin with some morning sentences. These are things you might say as soon as you wake up. Good morning. Did you sleep well? What time is it? I need a shower. Let's get started. Where's my phone? Repeat these a few times when you wake up. They'll make English part of your daily routine. Now, imagine you're going to work or school. Here are some useful sentences for that. I'm running late. Let's meet after class. Did you finish the assignment? Can we talk later? I'll call you back. Don't forget your keys. These are short and helpful for daily conversations. Try to say them while you're getting ready or on your way out. Now, let's go shopping. You're at a store or market. What can you say? How much is this? Do you accept cards? Can I try this on? I'm just looking, thanks. Where's the changing room? Can I get a bag, please? These sentences are practical and polite. You can also practice them while watching shopping videos or visiting websites in English. Let's move on to eating out. At a restaurant or cafe, these phrases are super helpful. Can I see the menu? I'll have a coffee, please. What's in this dish? That looks delicious. Could I get the bill? The food was amazing. Next time you go out or even eat at home, try to say these out loud. It builds your comfort with everyday vocabulary. Now let's focus on home life. These are casual sentences you might say at home with family or friends. What's for dinner? I'm tired today. Let's clean the kitchen. Do you want to watch something? It's getting late. Time to sleep. The more you repeat these at the right time, the more natural they will feel. You don't need a teacher, just use your voice. Let's now talk about your thoughts. One powerful way to improve fluency is by thinking in English. Here are examples of inner speech you can practice. I'm hungry. It's a nice day. I have a lot to do. I'm feeling a bit stressed. Let's take a break. I'll finish this later. Try saying these to yourself during the day. It's a quiet but effective way to build fluency. Okay, now that you've heard all these examples, let's go over some tips to help you practice them daily. First, repetition is your best friend. Say these sentences again and again, while walking, cooking, or even brushing your teeth. You don't need a perfect accent. You just need to speak. Second, record your voice. Say 5 sentences out loud and record yourself. Then play it back. Listen to how you sound and notice what you can improve. You will learn faster and build confidence this way. Third, use these sentences in real conversations, even if they're short. Text a friend, speak to a classmate, or even comment on a post online. Real practice makes a real difference. That's it for today's episode. You've now got a full set of everyday English sentences you can practice daily. Keep using them, keep speaking, and remember, fluency isn't built overnight. It's built one simple sentence at a time. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.